So I'm about to blend these. I'll blend my Roma Tomato blend and my peppercini. I already put the fertilizer in there. So I'll put my peppercini in there first. I really can't get it down all that far. Just gonna cover it in like that. Then let's put this one in here. So I think they're getting big. That's it because of that fertilizer over there. I know it's not a good camera angle, but I'm using my tablet and it's like really, like no zoom on here, so it's like gonna look crappy. That's it. Now I'm gonna put them outside. As you can see, they got a lot bigger. They've been outside for like 2 weeks because of that stuff right there. But I'll let them grow, and hopefully here in like a month or something they'll be full strength, and they'll be giving me some peppers and some tomatoes.